Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change audio pitch in Filmora 14. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to add this video to my project, and then I'm going to change the pitch of this video. If you want to change the pitch, we're going to go to the audio menu right here, and then we're going to scroll down until we find the pitch. Okay, and here you will be able to change the pitch, but before it I'm going to play the video to show you the original audio. Okay, this is for the original audio, and I'm going to make it higher, so I'm going to increase the pitch and I'm going to play it. Okay, and if you want to make it lower, just go left like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change audio pitch in Filmora 14. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.